Hello, gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and see what's going to happen. I'm going to show you my trades that I opened on SIGNUP, Colt. I'm currently in both of these projects at DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. And I think this is going to become a new massive craze. DAOs, to me, in my opinion, are like something very unique, very special. And what they are, it's like companies that are run by the group of people. We're also incorporating Colt technology into MCRT, which is going to be very interesting. We're calling the top 50 holders the Templar Knights, and they're going to have kind of guardianship over the MCRT world. And we're going to release more information about that as well as it's coming. It's very interesting what's happening with these DAOs, and I recommend paying attention to them. PSYOP is another DAO that I've been buying into, and what PSYOP is, what it does, it takes 11% fees, which are quite high. So that means if you send $100,000, you have $11,000 in fees. If you send $10,000, you have $1,100 in fees. Now these fees go to the DAO, so they go into a fund. And what PSYOP does, it then puts forward a vote for a project, and then the fund will use the fund, which is now $1 million, and it'll make a vote and market buy a project. Very interesting what's happening in DAOs. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you a lot of information. Hit the subscribe button. Join more than 71,000 people now. Smash up the thumbs up button. We're exploding on social networks, on Crypto Guru channel. All the social networks are hitting new amazing highs. Same with MCRT. There's more than 70,000 followers now on MCRT Twitter. Around 50,000 followers in the Telegram. The community is just exploding, and it's just very exciting what's happening here. I'm also in Chris's Crypto's house on the top of Address Skyview, and it's very beautiful up here. And I'm also moving into Address next week, which is going to be cool. So we'll be doing a lot of cross collaborations as well as again. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So now we're going to the technicals for Bitcoin. On the technicals, Twitter up 27% yesterday, and if I actually called Twitter, I predicted Elon Musk buying Twitter, which is amazing. And I think that Twitter can go for a really, now we have Elon Musk part of the company. I'm extremely bullish. He bought 3 billion, 10% of the company. I think the main target for Twitter with Elon Musk behind it is going to be $72. And then I think it can go massive. When you have the world's richest, one of the smartest people in the world backing up your company, that's usually a very good thing. NEO is up 8%, Barb is up 6%, FXS, which I called at $21. This was told to me by one of my very big investor VC friends, Ron. He called it at $21 and then recommended it to me, and I told everyone about it. Now we're in about bit more than 1 week, it's up 100%. It went to $43. Ron believes this project can go up into the thousands of dollars. This is it's one of the it's a staking DeFi protocol that all the big stakers are actually using. So it's like Ron's favorite project. Palantir up 5%, Tesla up 5.6% as well. I bought a lot of Tesla down here, actually. I called the bottom on stocks, and I added a lot of positions to stocks, which is nice. If you follow my live trades, I was buying up Tesla, Facebook, Coinbase, Uber, Twitter, which is amazing. Tesla looks like it's about to make new all-time highs at 1248. We broke through this big resistance at 1145, so that's really nice. Now the big resistance next is 1248, and I think then it's creating a huge W formation, and that means usually we can have a big explosive movement to the upside. So Tesla going to make all-time new highs. I bought a lot of Coinbase as well. I bought Coinbase just down here at 151, so we're up a lot. But I think Coinbase is one of the revenues that Coinbase makes is insane. But let's go. I also bought $700,000 of BNB down here, and I didn't sell BNB. I actually hold all $700,000. Now it's up to around $750,000, so around $50,000 in 2 weeks. But BNB looks like it's forming a giant symmetrical wedge that's going to go on a mega run. I very like BNB. BNB, in my opinion, is going to be one of the biggest companies in the world. I think that there's a lot of rumors that the founder, CZ from Binance, is actually the richest man in the world, not Elon Musk Tesla. Now, he denied this on a recent Forbes article, but he holds a lot of cryptocurrency. So the target for BNB would actually be up here, 608, which means another 20-something% to go, more than 30% to go, which is beautiful. But let's go. I'm trying to get into Bitcoin. Let's go into Bitcoin. It's up slightly today. Bitcoin fired a buy on the crypto guru bot. Stochastic is still heading up, volume coming in. Now, this is a good sign because normally when we're playing out in a bear flag like this, when it hits the upper end of the bear flag, it should drop down very quickly to 39,000. But it bounced off and came down, but it's not dropping down. That's quite bullish. On the 4 hourly, what's going to happen for the next few days? We're creating a bull flag here. We've got the pole of the flag and then a flag formation forming, which is also very bullish. That means we could be going up quite strong for Bitcoin. The pole of the flag would be this distance here. So that could take us to around 52,000 is the big resistance. So that's one of the targets. And the next target after that would be around 53,000, which is very beautiful. It means it's going to be heading up soon. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. Money flow is flowing into Bitcoin, which is good sign. That means I'm quite bullish for Bitcoin now in the short term, as long as it doesn't break this 2-year trend line. And it's a very good sign that it didn't drop strongly to 39K. On the hourly, we're also, it looks like it's pulling back a little bit, but it's making higher lows. And on the hourly, it's also forming this symmetrical triangle. Let's see if I can draw it. Symmetrical triangle. This is quite bullish for Bitcoin. So it most likely will play out as a bull flag that takes us to 52K. This is very bullish for Bitcoin. I think it could come down first to here, 45,000, before making the final movement, but it could just break out right now. So you could wait to go to 45K to long. But I think it's going to hold here. So it actually opened a long exactly where it's sitting on Bitcoin. My stop loss below this support at 44,300 and my take profit at the top of the bull flag, which will be 53,000, which is beautiful. Bitcoin about to go to run. That means I'm risking $1,900 to make almost $7,000. So around $2,000 to make $7,000 profits. 10x leverage will be $70,000 profits. 100x leverage, $700,000 profits. So really nice trades. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video, there's a bunch of links down below. I'll show you. There's so many things. I'm going to show you a lot of information that's very important, so stay tuned to then. Underneath this video, hit the thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. We're also going to choose the winner of 200 USD that I talked about in the, if you commented, hit the subscribe button, join now 71,000 people, click the join button to follow my trades. And down below, if you want to trade on Bybit Bitcoin trading link, you get $4,600 of bonuses when you sign up to Bybit. And they're also doing a promotion today. They introduced USDC to Bybit. So there's now USDC, so you can buy spot positions of BitUSDC, Bitcoin. So what USDC is, it's a stable coin. So you have USDT and then you have USDC, and USDC is backed by Coinbase, a publicly traded company. It's Coinbase's stable coin, and that's why they introduced it, because USDT, people have a lot of fears about USDT, but USDC is backed by a publicly traded company. So today they're doing a promotion. If you use USDC and you deposit $500 or more of USDC, you're going to get a 20 USDC bonus. And you can also trade using all these USDC pairs, and there's up to $130,000 to win from USDC from depositing, trading, and staking on Bybit. You go onto Bybit, the links are down below, sign up, and you go in that competition. And if you deposit 500 USDC, you get a 20 USDC bonus, but they've now added this functionality to Bybit to use USDC pairs. Before it was just USDT, so that's quite good because it's backed by Coinbase. So I'm going to show you my trading. So in my Bybit account, I have $203,000, which is nice. It's up $3,000 since yesterday, 203,000 real US dollars. I'm holding 1 Bitcoin in here, but I'm actually going to buy another 0.5 Bitcoin here because I think Bitcoin is going to go on a run here based off these technicals. Ooh, I could buy it a little bit further down actually, where I put it. So I would actually buy it at opening it at 46,350. But do I care about $300? No, because I think it's going to go for a run. So I'm buying another half a Bitcoin. I'm going to select this current sell price, buying another half a Bitcoin, 23,000. My order is there. It's actually, look at that. Look how quickly that order moved down, but my order is sitting there. It looks like Bitcoin is moving up, so it didn't execute the order. Look at this. Crazy. It's not executing the order because Bitcoin moving up so quick. My order is going lower. Okay, it's coming back up. It's very close to executing the order, so I think we'll execute. I'm buying another half a Bitcoin. So I've got 1.5 Bitcoin. It just ordered. It's filling. All orders filled. Beautiful. Now I've got 1.49 Bitcoin, around $69,000. I've got Cake, $43,000, which is up about $3,000 since I bought it. That's all I'm holding right now. I will add more. My Bitcoin trade from yesterday was down $200. Now it's up. It's just small. It's a $10,000 trade. It's up only 3% so far. But I'm going to add more to this trade. I've got an order at 44,400. But now I'm going to increase this because it looks like Bitcoin's not coming down that low. 46,350. I'm going to add more to the order. 46,350. And remember now, if you deposit Bybit into Bybit, so I'm going to add to that order. So that order's set. I'm going to make another order right now. I'm just going to add some spot position to currently where Bitcoin is sitting. I'm going to add another $1,000 to this long because I do think Bitcoin is going to go for a run right now. Adding another $1,000 right now to the long. So I've got an open order and now I've got a $20,000 trade on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Colt is down quite a bit since yesterday, but I really like this DeFi protocol. It's a very interesting protocol. Pay attention to it, Colt DAO, and you need to research what it is. It's very powerful technology, and I think it's going to be something huge. This is the chart, and it seems to be building pressure here. I like it. PSYOP I also bought, which is quite down since yesterday, still higher than when I bought them. And also on a big run, but I really like these DAOs. No one owns these. These are decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Research it. It's very interesting. Magicraft is also sitting at 0.66, a little bit above the IDO price, but we have amazing stuff coming for Magicraft at the moment. We've got a new website that was just designed and released today for Magicraft. Check it out at magicraft.io. It looks epic. The design team did amazing. Our KOLs that are on the project. We just have the team. These are our partners. It's just very listed on these exchanges. Very cool website that the team has now designed. We have a team of 100 people working full-time on Magicraft. And so again, USDC deposit there. Stefan, you won the 200 USD. Congratulations. My team will contact you. Been following you since the Thailand days, the pool with the jungle view, and you always wore a robe in your videos in those days. Those were amazing. You're just the best. You show us easily what to buy. I just want to say a big thank you to you. Thank you, Lau. I took your trade yesterday, exact stop loss and take profit. Still in profit, up 300%. Beautiful. You have to always do your due diligence. I'm showing you what I do in the markets. We're creating the Templar Knights of MCRT for Magicraft. Go onto that Twitter and follow Magicraft. It's got a blue check mark. There's 70,000 followers on Twitter. We'll be creating the Templar Knights. The top 50 holders will be guardians of the Magicraft world and will have special privileges. Something we learned from Colt DAO, which is interesting. This was me predicting Elon Musk going to buy Twitter in March 26. I'm loading up on Twitter on Monday. Elon Musk might buy it. Not financial advice. It's a hunch. And what I'm doing, do I predict the future of what? And then just a bit less than a few days later, Elon Musk bought 9.2% stake in Twitter and it shot it up 25%. So that was a beautiful call by me. Check out Omni, the NFT collection. This is some designs from Magicraft. Dinner with candles. I showed you that yesterday. I got to clear out some of these things that I've shown you before. 40K in right now. You're always making me money. Beautiful. And this is just some information which is very cool. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what's happening in the markets. These are some of my thoughts. I'm going to release more of them, another video later today, and show you more of my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Join 70,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. USDC, you get $20 bonus if you deposit 500 on Bybit. And thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.